Farmhouse Minimalist kitchen brings together the warmth of rustic charm and the clean sophistication of modern design. Instead of feeling overly vintage or overly sleek, this style finds balance in simplicity, natural textures, and thoughtful details. It creates a kitchen that feels cozy and welcoming, yet organized, uncluttered, and perfectly suited for modern apartment or urban living. With the right combination of materials, colors, and layout choices, a farmhouse minimalist kitchen becomes a comfortable everyday space that reflects both tradition and contemporary style. Blending rustic character with minimalist discipline. The heart of this design approach lies in harmony. Farmhouse aesthetics bring warmth through wood tones, natural textures, and subtle nostalgic elements, while minimalism keeps everything clear, functional, and visually calm. Instead of filling the space with decorations, the design focuses on a few meaningful details: a wooden countertop, simple shaker-style cabinets, or a farmhouse-inspired sink. These elements carry character, but they are arranged within a clean, clutter-free layout. The result is a kitchen that feels grounded and homey, yet modern and refreshing at the same time. This balance prevents the space from becoming either too rustic or too sterile. It remains warm, practical, and timeless. A soft, natural color palette for a calm atmosphere. Color plays an important role in achieving the farmhouse minimalist feel. The palette is usually soft, warm, and nature-inspired, helping the space feel soothing and comfortable. Subtle tones such as warm white, cream, soft beige, muted gray, or gentle earth shades create a calm background. These colors make the kitchen appear brighter and more spacious, while allowing wood textures and natural materials to stand out beautifully. Instead of bold contrasts, the design relies on gentle transitions and layered neutrals. This approach supports both minimalism and farmhouse warmth, creating a relaxed visual mood that feels peaceful rather than busy. Natural materials as the soul of the design. Farmhouse minimalist kitchens rely heavily on texture rather than ornamentation. Natural materials introduce warmth, authenticity, and tactile comfort, all without breaking the minimalist character. Common material choices include light or medium-tone wood for cabinets or countertops, stone or quartz surfaces with subtle veining, simple ceramic tiles or matte backsplashes, woven baskets, linen fabrics, or cotton accents, metal details in black, bronze, or brushed steel. These materials create depth without crowding the space. Everything feels intentional, honest, and connected to nature, while still polished enough to suit a modern interior. Clean lines, simple forms, and functional layouts. Minimalism ensures that the kitchen remains practical and uncluttered. Clean lines, structured cabinetry, and efficient layouts help maintain clarity and ease of movement, especially in smaller homes or apartments. Shaker-style cabinet doors, flat panels, or slim handles provide subtle farmhouse expression without overwhelming the design. Open shelving can be used sparingly to showcase everyday essentials, such as dishes, jars, or wooden boards, keeping decoration natural and purposeful. The layout prioritizes function first. Work areas remain accessible, surfaces stay clear, and storage is thoughtfully planned. This makes the kitchen not only beautiful, but also comfortable to use daily. Modern details that add a fresh contemporary edge. To give the farmhouse style a modern twist, contemporary elements are introduced in a subtle, refined way. These additions ensure the kitchen feels current and stylish rather than purely rustic. Modern accents may include sleek pendant lights or minimalist lighting fixtures, streamlined built-in appliances, matte black or brushed metal hardware, simple geometric shapes and silhouettes, minimalist bar stools or slim furniture pieces. These features add sophistication while preserving the cozy farmhouse character. The space feels updated, elegant, and perfectly suited for modern living. Decluttered surfaces and intentional styling. Even in a farmhouse-inspired kitchen, clutter can easily break the minimalist mood. That's why styling is done with care, fewer items, but more meaningful ones. A small plant on the counter, a wooden bowl of fruit, or a neatly arranged spice rack may be enough to add warmth. Open shelves hold items that are both functional and beautiful, while unnecessary objects remain stored away. The goal is to let the materials, light, and textures speak for themselves, rather than relying on excessive decorations, creating a warm, livable, and modern kitchen experience. A farmhouse minimalist kitchen with a modern twist offers more than just attractive design. It creates a space that feels calm, welcoming, and genuinely livable. It celebrates warmth without clutter, simplicity without coldness, and tradition without feeling outdated. By combining natural materials, soft colors, thoughtful organization, and subtle modern elements, the kitchen becomes a place where everyday routines feel enjoyable and relaxing, a space that feels like home while still reflecting a contemporary lifestyle.